today I am riding a boat. It kind of goes out into the Black Sea. I will include another clip I had today of me riding a canoe. It was actually on the other side of this, out into the Black Sea. And I had saw this boat that day and I always wanted to go. Today I decided to come and investigate and see how much it costs, where it goes. And it was surprisingly very cheap, only 10 Turkish lira, which in American that is only $2.50 for a 30-minute boat ride. It's basically going to go over here, kind of towards the end of Ünye, and then it will loop around to the opposite side of Ünye, so you can kind of see the full picture of Ünye from the sea's perspective. I really love the Black Sea since I came out here. It's very beautiful. There's lots of jellyfish out here. All the fish and just the wildlife of the sea is very different, so it's very nice to see that. I won't do too much speaking, but yes, I kind of just wanted to tune you in henceforth so you know what we're doing today, that this is actually a decent boat ride. I came here yesterday actually, and the entire boat was filled with people. And today, as you see, I am the only one on the boat. We will be leaving in about 10 minutes, so I might have a personal boat ride, but I have yet to give any reviews until I leave, but I have saw this boat many times and they seem to do great business. So if anyone's ever looking to see the Black Sea, I recommend this place at least, and hopefully you will enjoy it as well. Like I said, I won't do too much speaking. I'll actually show you some of the videos once we start here in a bit. Harika.
Abi bu dünyamızın değerini bilemez.
Aa evet. Bu.
Ne o? Ku.
Ku. Aa,
Pek
anladım.
nadir olur, pek nadir.
Evet.
Şey var.
the boat for maybe about 5 or 10 minutes. The pier we started at was over there. We kind of had made a U-turn. Over there you kind of have the sea Fasta, and this is all Ünye over here. It is very beautiful today. So yes, we're basically going to keep riding the boat, and we will ride all along the shoreline here and kind of see the outside of Ünye. It is very beautiful. I saw it walking the shoreline on many paths, and I've always wanted to ride this boat. So I'm hoping today will be nice, or at least the filming is what I mean. As you see, the water is very beautiful today. Hopefully you guys can see, but sometimes you will see jellyfish scattered along here. What they call it in Turkish, or the translation for it, is sea mother for the jellyfish. You will see them sometimes, not too much right now, but if I see one, I will zoom in for you. One there, one there. As you know, in the States we don't have too many jellyfish, so it's very beautiful to see out here. They have many species of the jellyfish. They have some very huge ones out here. I will try to show you some more because we're getting into a patch of jellyfish right now. So this video was posted in my prior video, or this location was posted in my prior video. It is an old historical monument of when the Japanese and Turkey were helping each other to help fight the Ottoman War. It's very beautiful. There's like a six-headed snake up there, and you can kind of see by the Japanese pole right there. They kind of have made it a commemoration location. It's very beautiful. And also in another video, I had walked here out to this middle island here. So now you can kind of see all of this coming together, but from the sea's perspective this time. Çok teşekkürler. Hoşuma gitti çok.
Çok hoşuma gitti.
Bunun için özel geldim buraya.
Evet. Sevdim.
Gelin gelin böyle.
Görüşürüz. Teşekkürler.
Gel bir daha gidelim.
Ev şimdi.